Hello my friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet stitch. To start, you have to have a foundation chain ready. Learn how to do it by watching my other videos from the beginners series. Before you make your first single crochet stitch, you need to have one additional chain stitch. We call it the turning chain. Now insert your hook into the second chain counting from the hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through the chain. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Now grab the yarn with your hook again and pull the yarn through both loops. This is your first single crochet stitch. Let's repeat. Insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through. You've got 2 loops on the hook. Grab it again and pull through both of the loops. Great! Now continue until the end of the row. The last stitch is your slip knot, so it may be a little bit tricky and tight, but don't forget about it. Okay, I have now got my first row of single crochets ready. Let's see how to move to the next row. Just like before, we need a turning chain. It means 1 additional chain stitch. Now let's turn the work over. This time we have to insert our hook into the existing single crochet stitch, which looks a little bit different than the chain stitch. It has 2 strands at the top, forming a little V shape. We have to insert our hook under both of these strands. When you find your stitch, proceed just like before. Grab the yarn with your hook and pull up a loop. When you've got 2, grab the yarn again and pull through both. Repeat it in each stitch of the row. You now know how to make a single crochet stitch. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!